Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Patil and today in this session I will be discussing Unit 1 ARM Embedded Systems and ARM Processor Fundamentals. The contents which will be discussed in this session are Embedded System Software, Applications, ARM Core Data Flow Model. The block diagram for embedded system software is shown. This figure shows a typical block diagram of software components required to control an embedded device. It mainly consists of 4 typical software components. To drive an embedded system, the software is needed. It mainly consists of 4 typical software components. The first code executed on the board is the initialization code and is specific to a particular target or groups of targets. An infrastructure to control applications is being provided by the operating system. The operating system also manages hardware system resources. The device drivers provide a consistent software interface to peripherals on the hardware device. Finally, an application performs one of the tasks required for a device. Next, we'll see what are the applications of ARM controller. ARM processors are found in numerous market segments including networking, automotive, mobile and consumer devices, mass storage and imaging. The ARM processor is found in networking applications like home, gateways, DSL modems, for high-speed internet communication and wireless communication. The mobile device segment is the largest application area for ARM processor because of mobile phones. ARM processors are also found in mass storage devices such as hard drives and imaging products such as inkjet printers, applications that are cost sensitive and high volume. Next, ARM Core Data Flow Model. The block diagram of an ARM core is shown, which has some functional units such as ALU, address registers, register file, barrel shifter, MAC and instruction decoder. Data enters the processor through the data bus. The instruction decoder translates the instruction into the binary form and before it has been executed. The ARM processor uses load-store architecture. Data items are placed in the register file called as storage bank made up of 32-bit registers. ARM instructions typically have 2 registers, that is RN and RM, and single result or destination register RD. One important feature of the ARM is that register RM alternatively pre-processed in barrel shifter before it enters the ALU. The processor continues executing instruction until an exception or interrupt changes the normal execution flow. Thank you.